Good morning, everybody. Today I am at Tokyo Disneyland. It has been maybe 6 years since I've been to this one. It's only been a week and a half since I've been to a Disney. They have made the Beauty and the Beast ride since I've last been here, and Bella's my favorite princess, so I'm super excited to go ride that. But first stop is Dad wants coffee and I want to go find some ears to match my dress. I've already got my Shelly May bag that I bought in Shanghai Disney, and I'm sure there's some super cute keychains of Shelly May as well that I can hang off my bag.
The merch here at Tokyo Disney is next level.
The best.
It is
the best. Truly.
Yeah.
So much cute stuff. I'm seriously gonna spend
hundreds of thousands of yen.
We did have a little look at the Premier Access. I don't think we'll need it today, but maybe when we're at Disney Sea. But I've already registered our tickets into the app and had a little look at the process. It's pretty easy.
Pretty simple.
Yeah. Well, let's be on our way.
Alright, let's go.
First stop, let's go find ears. There's so much selection. These are cute. They're not quite the right pink though. I think these are what I want, but I don't know which ones. The white? No, I don't like the white. Maybe this pink here. I don't know if I should get the white. It's so cute. Or this. Maybe I'm too pink if I wear that. We just bought the Premier Access for Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast for about 3 o'clock, because if we have a look at the park map, not that park, we are not at that one. We are here at the moment, right by Pirates of the Caribbean, so I thought we might as well do it clockwise. We're gonna ride Pirates first, which is right behind us. And I did get my lovely ears on. So cute. I've taken my hair out because it looks cuter with the ears that way. And then I think after this I'll hopefully talk my dad into taking some photos of me in front of the castle.
Negative.
He'll change his mind. I also bought this Marie keychain. It's so cute. She's like in a little ribbon, so that's on my bag now because I thought that matched my dress pretty cute. They had some Marie ears as well, but I really liked how the white ones looked better. There's the restaurant I've never eaten at. Actually guys, you know, it doesn't smell like chlorine in here like all the other ones. Like the smell is not that strong.
I am not chica, I will not come.
Do you know this song, Parrot? Feel free.
We are now finished with Pirates. It's always a good one. I feel like that's like the only one without fail I ride every time at every park. I feel like it's got to be one of the only ones that's at like all
Every
of
park,
them.
yeah.
That and probably like Haunted Mansion maybe.
And Small World.
I'm trying to think if there was a small one.
I can't answer that question.
I can't answer it either because I didn't. It's a very big park in terms of walking distance between everything, and so I definitely didn't explore everything. I'll get back to you when I edit that on this one. But yeah, let's go take some photos before my hair gets ruined by the humidity. We found this Baymax show and it's squirting water everywhere. It's ruined from the water, but I feel nice and refreshed. taking my photos on this lovely bridge from the side. Beautiful spot, but I am now very hot. Hey, I'm starting to sweat. Frontierland, and I think me and Dad are going to ride Big Thunder Mountain. I don't think Mom's coming with us. I think she's getting some food. Here we go. 30-minute wait. So we'll see how long it takes to get on this one. I always find that the wait times are a little bit less than what they say they are. We are all finished. It was almost exactly half an hour, give or take a couple minutes, to get on. It's a lot longer than I remember it being. It's a very long roller coaster. I kind of want an ice block, so I might go get an ice block. Or are we eating something of substance?
No, you can have an ice block.
Ice block time. Whoa. This is our next stop, Splash Mountain. It is a beautiful day for it. I haven't ridden it in a bit because the last one I went to with a Splash Mountain, oh maybe Shanghai has it, I'm not sure. Well, I didn't go on it in Shanghai. And then in Paris it was winter, so I didn't really want to go on it, but I am very much feeling it today. So let's go. Get soaked, max plus. You will get completely soaked. They were not lying when they said you get completely soaked. Oh my god. I've never seen Pocahontas in the parks before. Wow. Wow. There's some unique characters down here. Near the exit of Splash Mountain. I feel like they're probably not like timed. Like you just happen to have to be there, you know?
Yeah, you gotta be lucky, I think.
Yeah, and we were lucky. Now that that's done, oh, my hair is looking super worse for wear. We are going to find something to eat. I think we're gonna eat at the Queen of Hearts restaurant thing. We ate there last time, but it just happens to be the closest like sit down restaurant to us. I kind of want to eat in Tomorrowland, but that's like across the way, so I don't want to ruin my clockwise plan. The Haunted Mansion is shut. I'm assuming maybe because they're doing, like they're putting up all the Halloween stuff and putting in the Halloween overlay. That's what I got for lunch. I got this steak, and then this is, I think, like strawberry mousse cake. And then I couldn't resist getting a macaron. Usually I don't get chocolate, but I couldn't resist. And then I got the special drink, which is like a rose sparkling tea. Oh, and it comes on a souvenir plate you can take home. Very pretty plate. And they give you some of this like paper to wrap the souvenir plate in so it doesn't get damaged on your way home and on your day around the park. Now I'm gonna try my Pooh Bear is one of my favorite characters, but yellow is not my color. Last time I came here I got this one. So cute. These are adorable little clips and I like this bag. I also bought a bag, but it was like a white color. It came in a white. It was very cute. This one is way too cute. Oh, I'm so upset. This is one of my favorite rides, Prue's Honey Hunt, and it's closed. So sad. Up is Small World, which is my mom's favorite ride. She looks so cute, look at her. It's a Small World. You, how was it?
Very good.
I always love seeing all the Disney characters in there as well, so it's fun. Stuck in your head yet?
Yeah.
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. We have about half an hour to kill before our time slot starts for the premiere access to Enchanted Tales of Beauty and the Beast. So we're gonna head around to Toontown just to have a little look. And I think there's like a snack I want to try from the like Donald Duck thing. I'll show you. Here from Huey, Dewey and Louie's Good Time Cafe, they have like this like bao bun, so cute, teriyaki chicken, so I want one of those. Here's what it all looks like. You can even get a little thing of french fries. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, but the fried fish one sounds good. Nah, I want the teriyaki one. I got the tropical fruit sparkling drink and then my teriyaki like bao bun. It's now time for us to head in to, I guess, France we're going to, because, whoa, there it is, first look. Ah, this is so cute. Wow, this is so cute. I'm definitely gonna come in here after we go on the ride. Oh wow, look at that hair clip. That's so gorgeous. Got our priority access up and this is the line up for it. Let's see how long it takes. This is so cool. This is so cool looking. I know I can't stop saying that, but I'm so in awe. Wow. Maybe I should go home and watch this movie.
お城に年取った物乞いの女が来て一夜の宿を恵んでほしいと言い一本のバラを差し出しました。そう失いました。一体誰がこんな野獣を愛してくれるのでしょう。
どなたかいらっしゃる。こんにちは。あなた誰なの？出てこないとこのドアを壊すぞ。私のその役者We're just about to get on.
Whoa.
ようこそどうぞ大事なお客様海にナプキンをかけてごゆっくり
Happy. I enjoyed that so much that I'm even thinking about going again, but it was so wonderful. I cried. I love Belle and I love Beauty and the Beast so much that they did it so well, and it was so gorgeous. And I like that the teacups are like moving, like you're dancing. It was so beautiful. I loved it so much. It's also gorgeous. The problem is I never wear yellow. Ah, earrings? Yeah, so cute. The little plumette doll is so cute. And of course they have Chip and Mrs. Potts. They're like proper too, like proper fragile. Out of everything I would say that I like this the most, the little handkerchief. Whoops. But I don't know what I would use it for. Maybe just as like a decoration, because it's pink. My room is pink. I was gonna get one of these for me and my boyfriend, but I've just seen this one of Thumper and Miss Bunny, which is so much cuter because both me and my boyfriend are Year of the Rabbit. Now that I've done a bit of shopping, we're walking over to Tomorrowland, or I am. My parents are already there because my mom was too excited to get her popcorn buckets from the popcorn shop. So I'm gonna go find them first and we'll see which ones she got. Here it is, the big pop. Oh, and here they all are. That's so cute. I think she's gonna get like this one and the honey pot, but I really like this churro cart or donut cart, and I like the Small World one too. I don't know why she doesn't like that, considering that's her favorite ride. Oh, you didn't want the Small World one? This ride is so super popular here. I think it's about to start. I love Baymax, but I wouldn't wait 80 minutes for it. To Tomorrowland Terrace, where I've picked up another sparkling jelly drink. I feel like I've tried them all today. And this donut in the shape of Donald Duck. You can't really see. Hold on. Wow, so cute. I have no idea what flavor it is. Maybe just plain flavor. I have to say that this one is the best one so far that I've had. I don't even remember what flavor it is. Maybe lychee or something. We had plans to watch the Harmony in Color parade, but it has been cancelled today because the weather is just too hot, which is understandable. I'm feeling it. So I'm not too sure what we're gonna do in the meantime. The next show is the fireworks in about like 2 hours, I think. So bit of a wait. I think it's pretty prime time to be taking castle photos right now. Weather's cooled down, sun's not as out. However, my hair is ruined, so I'm glad I took some this morning. I wish I could buy these ones. That's so pretty. I think there's an aurora one in the next window over. Yeah, wow. So pretty.
さあ飛び立とう。自由の風に身を任せて。
Dream so big that it was hard to keep, just out of reach or barely out of sight.
Fireworks and the electrical parade, I've stopped into Plasma Rays for a quick drink. I think I'm gonna try that lemon tea and blue jelly, and also I want to get some of the little green alien dumplings while I'm here as well. Actually, but I filmed quite a bit, especially of the parades and stuff, so I hope you enjoyed watching and that it wasn't too long of a video. This is my favorite Disney park. Not this one, but like Tokyo Disney as a whole is my favorite one. So I've had a very enjoyable time, and it's quite a good time to come in terms of crowds. My friends told me, I don't know if I said this in mine or yours. My friends told me this is like the second week back to school, so there's not too many people here. The longest wait time was an hour, which was really not that long at all. The downside is definitely that it's so hot and humid, but as long as you're staying hydrated, you're going to the Baymax cool-off thing.
Yeah. What a thing that was.
Bringing a fan, like, you'll be fine. And if you're going in and out of rides, it's like air-conned in there in the lineup. Yeah, plenty of places to sit down and eat. Anything from you?
Just on the food bit, don't expect theme park food here like you get
like Western
theme park food, because you can't.
Yeah.
Well, you can get pizzas and chips, but
yeah, it's not as common.
Yeah, it's very different, the food you get here. It's still lovely, but different. So don't expect to come and have your
definitely a lot of
fries.
snacky bits.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe, and I'll try and be more active. Thank you.